How to create a new product on the Egro MoDe. Section 1. Navigating the product menu. First, you will need to log in. You can do so as a technician or manager. To add a new product, click into the menu located on the upper left side. Select Products, then Products again. Here, you will find a list of your pre-programmed products, which you can edit or delete. Section 2. Adding a new product. The icon in the upper right corner will provide you with the option to build a new product. Your three options include steam, drink, or water bypass. To create a new drink recipe, press Drink and Multi-Drink. You will now be presented with your new product settings to program your recipe. Section 3. Creating a recipe. First, you will see an automated registration number for your new drink. On this screen, you can input metrics including drink size, brew cycle, and product count. If you swipe, you can also input information regarding price. The second menu is titled Icon, regarding the drink's appearance on screen. Press the plus to see your options for imagery. There's also the opportunity to upload your own image. Here, you can input the drink name in multiple languages. You can also add descriptors, including temperature and caffeine, that will be added to the icon's appearance. The third menu is your recipe. You will see options to add various ingredients. For this video, we will make a hot chocolate. Click Add, then Powder. You can see which hopper the powder will be dispersed from, as well as how much powder and water will be used. These are both calibrated by the technician on the back end. We would like to add a milk topper to our recipe. To do so, add a second ingredient and choose milk. Under quantity, you can also select how much is dispersed in milliliters. For our recipe, we will only add 60 milliliters. Reference milk will ask you which type of milk recipe you are creating, steamed or foamed. You can also program the time between these two ingredients being dispersed by pressing the arrow, choosing between a pause or no pause. For this video, we will add a 5-second pause between the hot chocolate powder and the milk to get a nice separation in the cup. On this screen, you can test the drink before finalizing your recipe. The fourth menu lets you program additional sizes with multi-drink. Hit Save and the new product will be added into your product menu. Hit the back arrow to exit. Section 4. Adding a product to the main menu. Press Menu, then Interfaces twice. The screen will show you your current home menu. Here, you can change or edit the product options. We will change the old hot chocolate recipe with the new hot chocolate recipe we just programmed. Press on the menu item, then hit Delete. The empty space will now give you an option to add a new product or folder. We will add a product and select the new recipe. Hit Load to enter. To add a folder, press Folder. Create a title. You will be able to select a graphic icon for the folder cover and any appearance changes, like opacity. Within this folder, you can select multiple products or recipes. To save your changes, hit Save located in the upper right corner. You've now created a new product recipe.